When you think of olive oil, what often comes to mind is its role in cooking and as a base for salad dressings. However, this humble kitchen staple is far more than just a culinary delight. Olive oil is, in fact, a treasure trove of health benefits, and in this article, we'll delve deeper into the 7 incredible ways it can transform your health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into each of the 7 remarkable health benefits of olive oil. 1. The cholesterol charmer. Olive oil takes center stage in the noble act of reducing cholesterol, often referred to as the cholesterol charmer. Its unique composition of monounsaturated fats acts as the vigilant guardians of your circulatory system. These fats, resembling prized jewels, elegantly escort bad cholesterol out of your arteries, leaving behind a cleaner, smoother path for your life-giving blood to flow. The scientific community has been quick to sing the praises of olive oil, with numerous studies attesting to its cholesterol-reducing prowess. Incorporating just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily into your diet can result in a remarkable reduction of bad cholesterol levels by up to 8%. But how do you integrate this lipid treasure into your daily culinary tapestry, you ask? Fear not, for the possibilities are as abundant as olives on a Grecian hillside. Picture a dash of olive oil elevating a humble salad into a Mediterranean feast, or a drizzle transforming roasted vegetables into a gourmet experience. Let's not forget a swirl in your pasta sauce, or a spoonful to salt your favorite greens. The options are not only abundant but also extraordinarily delicious. With olive oil, every meal becomes an occasion, a celebration of the myriad ways you're bolstering your health. Imagine each drizzle not only elevates your dish but also fortifies your heart. It's not merely a condiment but a conductor of wellness, orchestrating a symphony of benefits that resonate through your body. So go ahead, make olive oil an indispensable part of your daily feast and watch as it charmingly rewrites your health narrative, one sumptuous drop at a time. 2. The inflammation inquisitor. Inflammation, often a clandestine villain lurking in the shadows, has been linked to a myriad of health woes, disrupting your body's harmony. In this intricate narrative, olive oil emerges as the intrepid inquisitor, sniffing out inflammation and neutralizing it with a flair that rivals any sleuth. But how does olive oil accomplish this Herculean task? The secret lies in oleocanthal, a naturally occurring phenolic compound found in extra virgin olive oil. Oleocanthal is not just a compound. Consider it your inner detective, actively rooting out inflammatory markers and setting the stage for healing and rejuvenation. Studies suggest that just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil can produce an anti-inflammatory effect similar to 1/10 of the dosage of ibuprofen. Impressive, isn't it? Now, how might one incorporate this liquid jewel into their daily regimen to enjoy its inflammation-acquiring benefits? Imagine introducing a dash of olive oil into a comforting bowl of lentil soup, transforming it into a culinary masterpiece teeming with health benefits. Or consider a homemade salad dressing where olive oil marries perfectly with lemon juice and herbs to not only adorn your grains but also shield your health. For those who love a bit of crusty bread, picture it soaked in olive oil, with each bite becoming a commitment to health, and each flavor burst a testament to anti-inflammatory living. So go ahead, let olive oil perform its inquisitive magic as it elevates your culinary endeavors and fortifies your body's defenses, all with an air of Mediterranean sophistication. 3. Antioxidant alchemy. Olive oil isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it's a sage in the great culinary apothecary, a mystical and magical benefit that elevates it from a humble cooking component to a sage in the realm of wellness. This liquid gold, steeped in traditions as ancient as the Mediterranean sunsets, holds within it a spellbinding potion of antioxidants, turning each meal into an elixir of wellness and longevity. The antioxidants in olive oil, such as hydroxytyrosol and vitamin E, are akin to alchemists of your body, turning base elements into gold. However, in this alchemical process, the transformation is even more miraculous. These compounds orchestrate a magnificent biochemical ballet, neutralizing free radicals that would otherwise wreak havoc on your cells, leading to premature aging and an array of chronic diseases. Every drop of olive oil you consume is a step towards eternal youth and vigor, akin to sipping from a mythological fountain of health. However, these antioxidants don't work in isolation. They collaborate with other nutrients and compounds, creating a symphony of health benefits that reverberate throughout your body. In this alchemical process, inflammation is reduced, heart health is bolstered, and even your skin acquires a radiant glow. It's as if the antioxidants in olive oil have the Midas touch, turning everything they interact with into wellness gold. The allure of olive oil lies not just in its rich, complex flavors, but also in its capacity to transform the mundane into the magical, the simple into the sublime. Antioxidant alchemy isn't just a benefit, it's a life-changing philosophy, an invitation to look at each meal not merely as sustenance but as a mystical experience, a daily ritual of transformation. So go ahead, let each drop of olive oil spellbind your senses and alchemize your health, one tantalizing taste at a time. 4. The Brain Booster. Olive oil isn't just a delight for your taste buds, it's a brain booster of unparalleled prowess. This emerald elixir doesn't merely tickle your senses. It wields the wand of cognitive enhancement, ready to turn your brain into an arena of unmatched intellect and wit. Olive oil is a veritable brain booster, wielding an arsenal of polyphenols that act as intellectual knights, guarding the neural pathways and fortresses of your mind. By reducing oxidative stress, these polyphenols enhance everything from focus to memory retention. The outcome is a mind that operates with the clarity of a crystal ball, foreseeing possibilities and solving life's puzzles with a magician's grace. But that's not the grand finale. Olive oil is rich in alk acid, a monounsaturated fat that acts as the conductor of this cognitive symphony. It optimizes brain function, offering a mental fluidity that turns each day into a thrilling intellectual expedition. Moreover, these healthy fats serve as building blocks for brain cells, making olive oil a foundational ingredient in the architecture of your mind. Now, you may wonder how to incorporate this brain booster into your everyday fare. Just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil a day will suffice to shower your brain with these phenomenal benefits. The culinary applications are like chapters in an enthralling novel, each one promising a surprising twist. Imagine a sophisticated olive oil drizzle over a seafood pala, with each grain of rice soaking up not just the flavor but also the cognitive blessings in every drizzle, salt, and sprinkle. Olive oil elevates the ordinary to the extraordinary, opening the doors to a realm where culinary arts and cognitive sciences merge in a glorious celebration of life's finer things. 5. Heart Health Herald. Olive oil isn't just a flirt with your culinary senses, it's a steadfast guardian at the gates of your cardiac well-being. Revered as the heart health herald in the kingdom of edibles, this liquid treasure doesn't merely flirt with your culinary senses. It commits to a lifelong partnership with your cardiovascular system, orchestrating a romance that's both passionate and profoundly beneficial. Olive oil is like the heart's personal troubadour, serenading your cardiovascular system with a medley of heart-healthy fats and phenolic compounds. These virtuous elements unite in a harmonious dance, sweeping LDL cholesterol off its feet and out of your arteries while ushering in HDL cholesterol to restore balance. It's like a royal ball in your bloodstream, where all elements waltz gracefully, ensuring the heart remains the center of the celebration. But let's not overlook the lesser-known knights in this tale of polyphenols. These potent antioxidants champion the cause of your heart, holding the fort against inflammation and oxidation like seasoned warriors. Their valor protects the heart and its arterial allies, ensuring that no harm befalls your citadel of life-giving beats. So how does one invite this heart health herald to the daily feast? A mere 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil each day will raise your heart's banner high. And the versatility of this liquid gold offers a cornucopia of culinary delights that can please any palate. Let's not forget the world of liquid indulgences. An olive oil-based marinade could transform a simple piece of fish into a heart-loving masterpiece, and even your morning smoothie can carry the golden droplets, offering a creamy texture that doubles as a heart-hugging embrace. As you bring olive oil into your daily ritual, know that each drop is a testament to your heart's longevity and vitality. 6. Blood Sugar Sentinel. Cue the fanfare, for the spotlight is ready for its next star, none other than olive oil, now donning the hat of the blood sugar sentinel. In addition to being the diplomat in the cholesterol domain, Olive oil is also a steadfast guardian at the gates of your glycemic index. This multitasking marvel is like a seasoned conductor, directing the insulin and glucose in your bloodstream to perform in a balanced, melodious symphony. Rich in oleic acid, it orchestrates an efficient uptake of glucose, gently nudging your cells to absorb sugar at a steady, harmonious pace. It's akin to a master choreographer, ensuring that your blood sugar levels never spike nor dip but waltz elegantly in the realm of stability. And let's not forget the supporting actors in this role of polyphenols, who take up arms as infantry, protecting the insulin-producing cells from oxidative stress. Picture them as the elite forces in your bloodstream, safeguarding the critical hormones that keep your sugar levels in check, ensuring that the whole ensemble performs without a glitch. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on benefits of olive oil. I love reading your comments and having a conversation with all of you. Now, if you're pondering the culinary versatility of this sentinel, prepare to be dazzled. Imagine olive oil as the leading star in a sautéed vegetable medley, with each stir a strategic move to secure your glycemic fortresses. Picture it as the soulmate of steamed fish, enveloping it in a protective, flavor-enhancing embrace. That's not only delicious but also diabetically beneficial. And for those who think this sentinel only rules the realm of savory, think again. Olive oil can perform a puree in a sugar-free dessert, harmonizing with cinnamon and stevia to offer a sweet indulgence that's also a strategic win for your blood sugar levels. 7. Digestive Dynamo. When it comes to orchestrating a gut-friendly environment, this liquid luminary wears its badge with unmatched sophistication and grace. The moment olive oil makes its entrance, it's as if the entire digestive system stands to applaud. Drenched in a rich tapestry of monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, olive oil ensures that your digestive tract performs like a well-rehearsed choir, with every note pitch perfect and every move impeccably timed. Picture this golden essence as a master conductor, directing the flow of digestive juices and enzymes, creating a harmonious blend that aids in the seamless breakdown and absorption of nutrients. But let's not overlook olive oil's star ensemble: oleic acid and antioxidants. These supporting acts serve as the frontline defense against inflammation and oxidative stress, taking up their positions like the Queen's Guard, steadfast and vigilant. The result, a digestive system that hums with efficiency, free from the discordant notes of bloating and discomfort. Join us on this inspiring journey as we celebrate olive oil, the digestive dynamo, a virtuoso in the amphitheater of wellness. It takes a bow with your well-being in the spotlight, promising an encore filled with health, happiness, and culinary grandeur. Olive oil is more than just an ingredient. It's a transformative elixir that offers a symphony of benefits to nourish your body and soul. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time to do so. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future content. Just click that red subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. So, the next time you pass by that bottle of olive oil in your kitchen, give it a wink, for you now know it's packing more than just flavor. It's a powerful ally in your journey to better health. Whether you're drizzling it on salads, using it in your cooking, or savoring it in various culinary creations, olive oil offers a bouquet of health benefits that can transform your life. Embrace the magic of olive oil and watch as it rewrites your health narrative, one sumptuous drop at a time. Cheers to a happier, healthier you.